How to enable disabled application in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can enable disabled application in Android or the Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Under app, tap on see all apps. Now under all apps section, there is a drop down right here, tap on all apps. From these options, you have to tap on disabled application. And under this section, you will find all your disabled application in your Realme device. Tap on the application and then tap on enable. Now you can go back, select the application, then tap on enable. So that's how you can enable disabled application in Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.